Fintech is one of the fastest growing industry today, but despite all the innovations, many apps feels clunky, confusing, and distracted to the user needs. Well, recently I've been working on a fintech app which is an MVP actually, and I've been designing it with the user first mindset. In my research and user interviews, I found out that most of the users struggle due to the complex structure of fintech applications. The app I've been working on is currently web based, but still I'm able to show you some of the glimpse of it to understand the structure idea of how fintech industry works. Now let's move to the computer screen where I show you that what I've been designing, how it's important from the user perspective, what are the motives of placing different sort of information at different places, and yeah, let's jump to the screen. Now to use any application, we first have to log in if we already have an account or sign up to that application. Anyway, after that sign up process, we move to the application process where we have generally two options, personal or business, but in this application I had another option called merchants, which we discuss further. Anyway, for the personal account, we get basic information of a user's address, contact numbers, and how much they spent, maximum and minimum. Then we have business application there. So if a business want to enroll in the app and do his transaction through our fintech application, he can fill out this application. Although if you guys want this file, just let me know in the comment section. I'll attach the link in the reply of that comment. Anyway, this is the application for the businesses, and then we have an application for accounts. Now individuals are the normal user who just want to send money, receive money, and basic stuff any normal user do with a fintech application. Business obviously same transactions, and but with the label of that business name. Now what is merchant? Merchant is basically in merchant process, bank work as investor, an investor invest in a startup by providing money. Same thing is done by the bank. It provide money to the merchant so it can increase the production, sell more, and return the decided profits with the bank. Then we have user money transfer section. In this section you can see it's the transfer tab selected. User can select from which account he want to send money and to which account he want to send money. By selecting all those accounts, he can input the amount and what's the execution type. It's normal, urgent, delay, or recurring. Anyway, if the transaction after completing all the information, an OTP of confirmation will be received by the user, and either the transaction would be successful or it will be failed. After discussing the user side, that how users can sign up in the application, and what are the types of user in that application. Now we have the admin side, or you can say compliance side. Now to manage all those users, we need staff in our bank or the relevant fintech application head office. So for those users, there's a flow called compliance who gonna approve the user application. Either they are individual or they are business applications. Now here's the login or sign up option for the compliance team. Actually, there is no sign up option. Admin of the app can assign roles to different member of the company. From here, they can this is the individual side compliance, where they can only see the users, individual users, you can say applications. Then we had business compliance, who obviously saw the application provided by different sort of businesses. uh, it's taking a bit time to load. Yeah. So here is the yeah. So here is all the applications submitted by different sort of businesses with their niche to the application to sign up. This is all. Actually, I am not gonna stop at one screen and explain you what is this column is, what is this column called, what this column called, because it's all a part of UX, and it is being decided according to the legal laws of any country we are deploying this app. Okay, so these are basically the UX part, and the most important thing, you may not see this as an amazing or a flashy uh, dashboard. Why so? So basically, in fintech applications, we had keep things more and more clear, so user could not distracted by fancy graphics. It can leads to many inconvenience. So this is for the UX of any application. Here is a section of compliance transfer. Now, what is meant by the compliance transfer? That they can see which business do what transaction in case while sometimes if there's any transaction fail, businesses offer contact to customer support. Now these customer support will be managed by those compliance officer who saw that which transaction happened at which date or time, and then ask some question accordingly, and return all of their money if it's stuck, or any issue client is facing is being resolved through this portal. Then we have messages. Obviously, you had to communicate with the user through uh, any communication channel. This is the channel I have been created. Last but not the least, here is a QR code scanner. Now, as I said earlier, that this app is under progress, and we are working on the application side now. For the time being, we have completed the web side of the app, mostly the website. For the app, here is a QR code scanner that you can see. You go to a shopping mall, there is a QR code affiliated to that Zolver. You can simply open the app, scan the QR code, and pay accordingly to the store. While the store is registered as a business to the Zolver. So these are all the notes. I'll make another video after we complete all of the ecosystem for that application. So this is all that this is the QR code, and how business will see all those payments. Those are being displayed here. If you had any question regarding this application, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll try to reply all of you as soon as possible. So I'll see you next time. Till then, bye bye.